Hello my dear students, welcome back to online class. In previous class, we have discussed what is breathing, what is the basic concept of breathing, and today we are going to discuss breathing in other organisms. So what do we breathe out? Actually, we breathe out oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor from the inhaled air or to the exhaled air. So, oxygen that we are inhaling contains 21% oxygen, more oxygen than exhaled air. And exhaled air contains 16% of oxygen, less oxygen than inhaled air. Then, carbon dioxide in inhaled air contains 0.03% of carbon dioxide, less carbon dioxide than exhaled air. And in exhaled air, carbon dioxide contains about 4% of carbon dioxide, more carbon dioxide than the inhaled air. And next, water vapor. In inhaled air, then contains less water vapor, but in exhaled air contain more water vapor. Okay. Now, breathing in other organisms. Many animals have just cavities in their bodies, just like human beings, for example, lions, elephants, goats, cows, snakes, and birds. In this picture, you can see the respiratory system of cockroach. Here actually, how breathing in insects takes place. Many insects like cockroach, grasshopper have small openings called spiracles present on the sides of their body. You can see the picture where spiracle is situated. Also, they have an air tube-like structure called trachea that allows the exchange of gases in these insects. So, this trachea in the tube form. And when the air enters the body through these spiracles and diffuses in the cells via trachea, and similarly the air from the cells enters to the trachea and moves out of the body through spiracles. So through spiracles, air enters through the body through these spiracles, and again air moves out of the body through these spiracles. Okay. Next, how breathing in earthworm takes place. Have you seen earthworms? Earthworms, they are also called farmer's friend. And earthworms have a soft, slimming and moist skin. Hence, the gases can easily pass in and out of the earthworm through its skin, as they have soft, slimming and moist skin. Okay, so breathing takes place in their soft, slimming, moist skin. Okay, similarly, frogs have also slippery and moist skin that can help in breathing. However, frogs contains lungs too. That you will discuss in breathing in amphibians. Okay. Now, respiration in amphibians. Amphibians like frogs, newt, salamander are both aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic means the animals who are living in water. Okay. And frogs have lungs, but they use their skin for exchange of gases when in water. That's why they are called amphibians. They use their lungs when they are on land. The animals which lives on the land, they are called terrestrial. Okay. And amphibians means the animals which lives both aquatic and terrestrial habitat. Okay. So here you can see the picture of frog, how they respire. They have nostril and mouth cavity, and also they have lungs. Oxygen here in red color, carbon dioxide is blue color. How this gaseous exchange takes place. Respiration through the lungs is known as pulmonary respiration, and respiration through the skin is known as cutaneous respiration. So they have two type of respiration in them. One is pulmonary respiration that is taking place through their lungs, and then the respiration that is taking place through their skin, slimy skin, moist skin, that is known as cutaneous respiration. And when at rest or floating on water, frogs takes in air through the nostril into the buccal cavity, and the gaseous exchange takes place through the lining of buccal cavity, and this method of respiration is known as buccal respiration. Here you can see from the buccal cavity, here the respiration when takes place near about the mouth cavity, then this is known as buccal respiration. So here three types of respiration takes place in case of amphibian. One is buccal respiration, another is pulmonary respiration, that is by lungs, and another is cutaneous respiration, that is respiration through skin. Okay. Now, breathing underwater. What is that? Underwater organisms like fishes. Animals that live underwater have special respiratory organs called gills, and they are complex structure present on the skin of these animals. Gills allow the exchange of gases between animals and the water easily. You can see here the picture of a fish. Water flows in through mouth, and here are the fish gills, and water flows over gills then out. Some animals called the amphibian can breathe on land by lungs and through moist skin underwater. For example, frogs and toads, that I have already told in previous slide. So I hope you understood breathing and respiration in different organisms, and I hope you understood this. In the next video, I will discuss respiration in plants, how respiration takes place in plants, and how respiration is different from photosynthesis, and I will also describe in the next class what is the basic difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, and also what is the main difference between breathing and cellular respiration. These are very, very important topics for your proper concept. So I hope you understood this topic, today's topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.